Well, the Prime Minister has arrived at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Those are the ceremonial welcome pictures coming in. The formal part of the ceremonial welcome as far as President Putin is concerned, that is being conducted at the forecourt of the Rashtrapati Bhavan even as we speak. In a few moments from now, we expect, of course, that formal part of the welcome ceremony to President Putin that is being given to come to a close, following which, of course, President Putin will make his way towards Rajghat to pay his respects to the father of the nation. And following that is the all-important bilateral meeting that is to take place at the Hyderabad House, which is right behind me. About 2 hours hence, we expect to see a formal statement coming in. Of course, all eyes will be on that crucial bilateral meeting between the two world leaders, Prime Minister Modi and President Putin. And that's, of course, where the big-ticket announcements, if any, are expected. Will there be big-ticket announcements? Is it more something that is expected to be on incremental lines? A lot of buzz, a lot of expectations, certainly, that are expected from this particular meeting as well. So those pictures, live pictures coming in from the Rashtrapati Bhavan of that formal part of the ceremonial welcome that we are looking at, where Prime Minister Modi is there to receive President Putin. Remember, the two leaders share a huge amount of bonhomie. They also, of course, share, Prime Minister going to the airport to receive President Putin itself is a huge gesture on his part. President Putin then getting into the same vehicle and traveling with Prime Minister Modi to his residence, where they had an over 3-hour meeting over dinner. And this is, of course, very, very crucial given the kind of stature that we're looking at of the two leaders, globally speaking, and also the unique relationship that India and Russia share, with cooperation in various areas, from defense to trade, and even, of course, more recently, oil purchases, which have become a hugely controversial issue as well, with pressure coming in from the United States on this aspect. Let's quickly take this across to our reporters who are joining us. We have Mohit also with us. Karishma also joins us. Karishma, has President Putin left from the ITC Maurya? Of course, that entire road of the Sardar Patel Marg turning into a virtual garrison with a huge security deployment in place for the Russian president. Take us through what is happening over there, Karishma. All right, losing that line with Karishma. Let me quickly take that question across to Mohit. But Mohit, what's happening at the Sardar Patel Marg? You've been at the ITC Maurya since morning. What really are you seeing around you? Massive security deployment,
yes,
as far as President Putin's movement is concerned.